So taking the partial fractions, we will get 1 by p square into p minus 1 equal to a by p plus b by p square plus c by p minus 1. So we will get 1 equal to ap into p minus 1 plus b into p minus 1 plus cp square. So I've given p equal to 0 and p equal to 1. That will give me the value of a and c. Then I've taken the coefficient of p square. So a plus c will be equal to 0. So that gives the value of a also. So therefore, Laplace transform of a will be minus 1 by p square minus 1 by p plus 1 by p minus 1 varum. So taking the inverse transform, you will get a of t equal to minus 1 minus t plus e raised to t. So that is a of t. Now then y of t will be equal to integral 0 to t a of t minus tau f dash of tau d tau plus f of 0 into a of t varum. Okay, so therefore we will get integral 0 to t. So a of t minus tau is minus 1 minus t minus tau plus e raised to t minus tau ni നമ്മുടെ f of t right hand side function was t square. So f dash of t will be equal to 2t. So 2 tau varum d tau plus f of 0 will be equal to 0. So we will get integral 0 to t. So we will get minus 2 tau minus 2 tau t plus 2 tau square plus 2 tau e raised to t minus tau d tau. So upon integrating, you will get minus tau square minus tau square t plus 2 tau cube by 3 plus 2 e raised to t is common, constant with respect to tau. So when you take the integral of tau e raised to minus tau, so that will give tau e raised to minus tau by minus 1 minus e raised to minus tau. So applying the limits from 0 to t. So that will give minus t square minus t cube plus 2 t cube by 3 plus 2. ഇവിടെ രണ്ട് ലിമിറ്റ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ സീറോയിലുള്ള ലിമിറ്റ് 0 ആയിരിക്കും. So here you will get e raised to 2 e raised to t is common. So for the first one, so let us give the limit at t. So t minus t e raised to minus t minus e raised to minus t minus 0 varum, then minus 1 varum. So that will be minus t square minus t cube plus, okay, so here you will get minus t cube by 3 varum, then minus 2t minus 2, then plus 2 e raised to t. So that is 2 e raised to t minus 2t minus 2 minus t square minus t cube by 3. So that is the value of y of t. So therefore y of t, the required solution will be 2 e raised to t minus 2t minus 2 minus t square minus t cube by 3. So that's the solution. Now next problem is, so let us look at solving integral equation. So we have the equation e raised to minus x equal to y of x plus 2 integral 0 to x cos x minus t y of t dt. So let us take Laplace transform on both sides. So we'll get 1 by p plus 1 equal to L of y plus 2. Now this is in the form of convolution integral, so we'll get L of cos x into L of y. So that is 1 by p plus 1 equal to L of y plus 2 p by p square plus 1 L of y. So that will give L of y into 1 plus 2p by p square plus 1 is equal to 1 by p plus 1. So that is L of y. Taking the common denominator, you'll get p square plus 2p plus 1. So that is p plus 1 whole square by p square plus 1 equal to 1 by p plus 1. So therefore we'll get L of y equal to 1 by p square plus 1 by p plus 1 whole cube. So therefore y will be so L of y is p square plus 1 by p plus 1 whole cube. Now we need to find y. So therefore y will be L inverse of p square plus 1 by p plus 1 whole cube. So let us find out the inverse transform. So p square plus 1 by p plus 1 whole cube can be written as p square minus 1 plus 2 by p plus 1 whole cube. So that is so here p plus 1 factor ആയിട്ട് വരും. So you can write again as p minus 1 by p plus 1 whole square plus 2 by p plus 1 whole cube. And again if you take p plus 1 minus 2 by p plus 1 whole square plus 2 by p plus 1 whole cube. So that will be 1 by p plus 1 minus 2 by p plus 1 whole square plus 2 by p plus 1 whole cube. So therefore y will be equal to L inverse of 1 by p plus 1 minus 2 by p plus 1 whole square plus 2 by p plus 1 whole cube. So taking the inverse Laplace transform, you will get e raised to minus x minus 2x e raised to minus x plus x square e raised to minus x. So that is e raised to minus x into x square minus 2x plus 1. So that will be e raised to minus x into x minus 1 whole square. So that is the required value of y. And let us look at one more problem. This is the next question. So when you taking Laplace transform, you will get, so Laplace transform of sine 3x will be 3 into 2 by p square plus 4. That will be equal to L of y plus, now the functions here are x and y. So you will get Laplace transform of x will be 1 by p square. So 1 by p square into L of y. So therefore 6 by p square plus 4 is equal to L of y into p square plus 1 by p square varum. So L of y is going to be equal to 6p square by p square plus 4 into p square plus 1. So we'll get L of y equal to 6p square by p square plus 4 into p square plus 1. Now let me take 6p square equal to a p square plus 1 plus b p square by 4. When you equate the coefficients, you must get a plus b equal to 6 and a plus 4b equal to 0. So which gives a equal to 8 and b equal to minus 2. So L of y can be rewritten in this form. So it can be put in the form 8 by p square plus 4 minus 2 by p square plus 1. Now we can take the inverse Laplace transform. So therefore yt will be L inverse of this. Now 2 by p square plus 4 is the inverse transform of sine 2x. So we will get 4 sine 2x minus 2. Now 1 by p square plus 1 is the inverse transform of sine x. So we will get 4 sine 2x minus 2 sine x. So with that we'll wind up our syllabus. And now together with today's class I have given an assignment. The assignment by tomorrow complete it and send it to my mail. And also നമ്മുടെ സെക്കൻഡ് മോഡ്യൂളിൽ ഒരു ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ടറി പോർഷനിൽ ഒരു ചെറിയ ഭാഗം ഞാൻ മിസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം എടുത്ത ടെക്സ്റ്റിന്റെ എഡിഷൻ വേറെയായിരുന്നു, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ആ പോർഷൻ മിസ്സായത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഐ ഹാവ് അപ്ലോഡഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ ഇൻ ദ മോഡിൽ. നിങ്ങൾ നേരത്തെ റിയൽ അനാലിസിസിൽ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഓൺ കോഷി പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ടു സീരീസ്. So kindly go through that also and please do complete the assignment. So that will be evaluated for the second internal. All the assignments will be evaluated for your second internal. So with that we will wind up. Thank you.